Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the slithery world of reptiles for an ultimate showdown, snake versus python. Now, you might be thinking, wait a minute, isn't a python a type of snake? And you'd be absolutely right. It's a classic all squares are rectangles, but not all rectangles are squares situation. All pythons are snakes, but not all snakes are pythons. So, what actually sets these magnificent creatures apart? Stick around, because we're about to unravel the fascinating differences between the broader group of snakes and the specific family of pythons. It's a battle of biology, behavior, and breathtaking adaptations. First up, let's talk about the most fundamental difference: classification. The term snake refers to the entire suborder Serpentes, which includes over 3,900 different species. This massive group is incredibly diverse, from tiny thread snakes that are smaller than a worm, to vipers, cobras, sea snakes, and of course, pythons and boas. Pythons, on the other hand, belong to a specific family called Pythonidae. This family is much smaller, with just over 40 species. So, when you see a python, you're looking at a specific branch on the vast family tree of snakes. Think of it like this: fruit is the big category, and apple is a specific type of fruit. Snake is the big category, and python is a specific type. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of their biology. One of the most famous characteristics of pythons is how they deal with their prey. Pythons are non-venomous constrictors. This means they don't use venom to incapacitate their meals. Instead, they coil their powerful, muscular bodies around their prey and squeeze. For a long time, people thought they suffocated their victims, but recent studies show it's actually much faster. The intense pressure they apply stops the blood flow and shuts down the prey's vital organs, leading to a very quick end. While many other snakes are also constrictors, like boas, many others are not. Think of cobras, rattlesnakes, or mambas. They belong to the venomous side of the snake family, using complex chemical cocktails to subdue their food. So, venom is a major dividing line in the snake world, and pythons are firmly in the non-venomous, constrictor camp. Let's discuss size and location. Pythons are famous for being giants of the snake world. The reticulated python, for example, holds the record for the world's longest snake, with some individuals reportedly exceeding 20 feet. The Burmese python is another heavyweight contender. Because of this, we often associate the word python with massive size. However, the broader category of snake includes the full spectrum of sizes. The Barbados thread snake is the world's smallest snake, measuring only about 4 inches long and as thin as a spaghetti noodle. Geographically, pythons are considered Old World snakes, meaning they are naturally found in Africa, Asia, and Australia. You won't find native pythons slithering through the Americas. Their close relatives, the boas, fill that ecological niche in the New World. Snakes, in general, are found on every continent except Antarctica, showcasing their incredible adaptability. Another fascinating difference lies in their reproduction. Pythons are oviparous, which means they lay eggs. But they don't just lay them and leave. Female pythons are incredibly dedicated mothers. They will coil around their clutch of eggs, and through a process called muscular shivering, they actually generate heat to keep the eggs at a constant, optimal temperature for incubation. It's a remarkable display of parental care in the reptile kingdom. Now, if we look at the wider snake world, it's a mixed bag. Many snakes, like pythons, lay eggs. However, a significant number are viviparous, meaning they give birth to live young. Boa constrictors and garter snakes, for example, give birth to fully formed, independent baby snakes. This reproductive diversity is another key way the general group of snakes is much broader than the specific family of pythons. Let's look at some unique physical features. Many python species have a cool evolutionary leftover: pelvic spurs. These are two small, claw-like appendages located on either side of their cloaca, which is the single opening for their reproductive, urinary, and intestinal tracts. These spurs are actually the tiny, vestigial remnants of hind legs from their ancient, four-legged ancestors. While they can't use them for walking, male pythons often use these spurs to grip and stimulate females during courtship. While some other primitive snakes, like boas, also have these spurs, the vast majority of the 3,900 snake species have lost them completely. Another subtle hint is the presence of heat-sensing pits. Pythons have a series of these pits, which are highly sensitive infrared detectors located along their upper or lower jaw. These allow them to see the heat signature of their warm-blooded prey, even in complete darkness. While other snakes, like pit vipers, also have heat pits, their structure and placement are different, and many snake species don't have them at all. So, to recap our ultimate showdown, snake is the all-encompassing term for the entire suborder, a massive and diverse group. Python refers to a specific family within that group. The key distinctions: pythons are non-venomous old-world constrictors, known for their potential for great size. They are also dedicated mothers, laying eggs and shivering to incubate them. They often possess unique features like pelvic spurs and labial heat pits. The broader category of snakes, however, includes venomous and non-venomous species, constrictors and non-constrictors, giants and tiny miniatures from all over the world. They can lay eggs or give birth to live young, and their physical features are incredibly varied. So, the next time you see one of these incredible reptiles, you'll know exactly what you're looking at. Is it just a snake, or is it a member of the powerful and specific python family? You've now got the knowledge to tell the difference. These animals are a vital part of their ecosystems, and understanding them is the first step to appreciating and protecting them. They are truly masters of adaptation and survival. I hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of snakes and pythons. If you learned something new today, give this video a big thumbs up. What other animal showdowns would you like to see? Let me know down in the comments. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss another exploration into the amazing animal kingdom. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.